Barbecue.
Welcome back to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. Today we're doing something we haven't done in a while. I broke out the old Weber grill, the Weber grill pizza oven. This is my pizza oven that was a Weber grill, my Weber grill that's now a pizza oven. About a year ago, somewhat a year ago, we made this. I made a couple videos on it, and then I haven't used it since. Why? I don't know. I don't have a reason why I didn't use it. It works great. It actually works pretty good. It makes great pizza. I just hadn't used it. So anyway, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make some pizza on there. We're also going to make some pizza rolls right here on this bad boy, the Oklahoma Joe pellet grill. And we're going to go ahead and get started with that. I decided to do the pizza rolls on the pellet grill because I think you really just kind of bake them to whereas the pizza really needs to be like on the pizza oven. But they're both pizza, basically. So we're going to see how it works. We're going to see how that one works compared to this one and see which one's better. I personally like the Weber pizza oven for pizza. So anyway, let's get started making these bad boys. We got to get the charcoal lit. We got to get this sucker fired up, and we're going to get to making us some pizza. All right, guys, if you've never seen me do this before, this is the way to light your charcoal with a charcoal chimney using a propane grill, the side burner. This is the side burner to my propane grill here, and it lights that charcoal really fast. It's only been probably maybe a minute, and I've already got smoke just pouring out of there. So a little helpful hint, tip, or trick for you using your propane side burner to light your charcoal. All right, so the charcoal is lit. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I got it kind of spread along the back wall there. Kind of see it over there. Actually got a little more on this side than I should have, so I'm gonna have to put the pizza off to this side. But you can see where the smoke is, if you can see it. It's just kind of coming out right here. That's like perfect. But anyway, we're gonna let it kind of warm up for a little bit, get rid of some of that smoke, and then we'll throw the pizza on. There it is. They kind of look like flowers, but they're not that great. Okay, let's just be honest. That was way harder than the internet made it look. Yes, this is an internet recipe, by the way. I don't know if I told you that or not, but this is one of those things you see scrolling through Facebook or whatever, Pinterest, if you will, and it's not as easy as it looks. Well, let's go ahead and throw it on. All right, here we go, throwing them on. We got it 300 degrees. We're gonna throw them on. Boom, that's it. All right, here we go. the pizza. This is not crust I made. This is store-bought. I do apologize. I am not a crust maker, but this stuff is pretty good. This is how we normally make it. I will say, for being store-bought, it's actually pretty good crust. But anyway, we're going to make a cheeseburger pizza, so we're going to make our sauce here out of ketchup and mustard, throw a little meat on it. I got some cheese. I'm going to go get some more cheese from the house. Maybe throw some pepperonis on it, too, because I have some left over. So anyway, let's get the sucker made so we can get it on the grill as soon as we can. All right, there you have it, folks. That is my pizza for tonight. We're gonna go ahead and get this sucker on that pizza oven. All right, she's on, she's cooking. Hopefully there's enough air and everything in there to keep it going. It's pretty warm. So anyway, it looks like cheese is already starting to kind of melt, so we should be good. We're gonna spin it every little bit. All right, let's check on our stuff in the other grill. Oh baby, look at that. That looks pretty good. Let them go a little longer. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these bad boys off. Looks like all that cheese is melting out, so we don't wanna let it all get melted out. Well, it looks pretty good though, don't it? Looks pretty good. I thought so, at least. All right, gonna snap a picture of them. We're gonna take these suckers inside because we're not done yet. We gotta wait for the pizza to cook. But man, doesn't that look fantastic? You guys gotta try this. This is pretty easy. All right. Okay, guys, I screwed up. I forgot to turn on my camera when I took it out of the pizza oven. It's my fault. Totally my fault. However, this sucker looks delicious. Look at this. It's a cheeseburger pizza, but I did add in some pepperoni on it just because I said I had leftover pepperoni. But look at that sucker. Doesn't it look just delicious? All right. Well, let's get the sucker in. We're gonna get it cut up and get it ate. So I think that's about it for you guys, because you don't want to watch me eat, do you? I mean, you probably do want to watch me eat this sucker. This thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, that is it for me today. As you can tell, it is hot out here. That thing over there is putting out some heat. That sucker there is putting out some heat. And I'm ready to go eat this pizza and those little pizza flowers. pizza flowers, pizza rolls, whatever. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm ready to go eat. So I will see you guys next time on another episode of New BQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at NewBQ2020. I do have a TikTok, New BQ Backyard Barbecue. I'm not that great at TikToks, let's be honest. So, with that being said, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of New BQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.